Installing your new seat covers couldn't be any easier. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install and provide you some useful tips along the way. Installation is a breeze. The front seat covers are tagged and the features are clearly visible. Attached is a tag with instructions for fabric care, and attached is a clear plastic bag, and inside are metal clips to help secure the fabric. The top side of the cover has a slit opening to slip over the headrest. Later you will remove the fabric strip and seal the cover under the headrest. Your vehicle may have removable headrests or non-removable headrests. You have two options. Option 1, slide the cover over the headrest and around the seat. Option 2, remove the headrest and slip the cover on. Now push the straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Feed the straps through the adjustable buckle, then use the adjustable straps to secure the covers. And pull tight for a secure, snug fit. For an extra secure fit, you have two options. There are two elastic loops on each side of the seat bottom cover. Option 1, connect a metal clip to each loop and attach it to the underside of the seat to secure the cover in place. Option 2, connect the front loops together with one metal clip and slip the straps around and under the seat, and tuck the remaining fabric in for a snug fit. Now remove the fabric strip from the top of the seat cover opening and fasten the hook and loop closure to the fabric to seal the cover under the headrest. And finally, slip the headrest covers over the headrests. That's it! Now you can protect your vehicle's interior in style and comfort with your easy-to-install seat covers.